Alright, most people crush this quiz, but if you need some help, here we go. I'm going to do this reasonably fast with the work that I would do, but I think it's more useful if I explain a little bit more, so who knows. How do I get a drawing? Okay, so find y double prime. I'm going to do y prime first, 6 cosine of x. Y double prime is negative 6 sine x. Oh, I need to be a little bit smaller so I don't have to keep rewriting. While I'm doing that, I'm reading the next problem. Oh, this one gets ugly. Y prime is 5x cosine of x. You have to do a product rule. Plus 5 sine of x. I've done that enough where I know I can kind of ignore some things. So y double prime, and that's going to be 5x times negative sine of x plus cosine of x times 5. And then the derivative of 5 sine of x is another 5 cosine of x. So I'm looking for sines, I guess. 10 cosine of x, that looks like A is correct. There's no way B is correct, it doesn't have enough terms. D has a negative, we should probably go back. We definitely don't want a negative on cosine. And no idea where answer choice C would come from. Pretty straightforward derivative rules on number 3. 7x to the 6th minus derivative of cosecant is negative cosecant cotangent. I know some people are going to plus 0. Well, the 12 is there. They know some people are going to screw that up. And notice, answer choice B, I know a bunch of people chose, but you have to do the negative, and we're subtracting cosecant. So positive cosecant cotangent, C is correct. Oh man, this is a little ugly. So product rule, negative x cubed sine of x plus 3x squared sine of x. Oh, 3x squared cosine of x. I'm going out of order. And then another product rule, so I'm just going to keep my negative going. So negative 15x cosine of x, and then negative 15 sine of x. Right, derivative of negative 15x is negative 15, and derivative of negative 15 cosine of x is positive 15 sine of x. And so answer choice A is out. That 30 sine of x caught my eye. Anything with a 15 sine of x is out. And minus 15x cosine of x right here means answer choice B without kind of collecting the rest of the terms. Notice this says dy dx, but apparently we didn't care about that stuff back when I got this software. So product rule again. Secant squared t plus 3t squared tangent. So we need an addition, and everything's positive. So t cubed secant squared, 3t squared tangent. T cubed secant tangent means this one's wrong. Okay. Hopefully no problem here. Tangent squared is going to give us 12 times tangent to the first power times the derivative of tangent. 12 tangent squared, nope. 12 tangent, nope. 12 tangent to the first secant squared, 12 tangent cubed. Okay. Do you see how we're eliminating it but checking all answer choices? Do you check them all? Maybe I'm just calm. Alright, y prime instead of dy dx. Why not? 8x cosine of x minus 8 sine of x all over 8x squared. And it looks like we have to divide out an 8. I probably wouldn't write everything out, but whatever, right? So we're going to get one of the 8s to divide out. X cosine of x minus sine x looks right. X sine x is wrong. X cosine of x is right. Wrong sign here. Because, well, this wouldn't change because we're doing the derivative of 8x. And there's no way it's answer choice D. So 4 times 3 is 12, and now the secant is cubed. Don't forget the derivative of secant is secant tangent. We need secant to the 4th tangent. There's a trick here. Hopefully you realize this is 10 cosecant, which means the derivative is negative 10 cosecant cotangent. That probably saved a lot of time. And 4th derivative, none of these are going to be useful in the 4th derivative because we would need something to the 4th power to get a 4th derivative. Okay, so that was supposed to be, I think, 13 minutes. I finished under 6. Hopefully that helps.